Hello my beautiful babes out there, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thank you so much for watching today. But in today's video, I'm going to be doing my unboxing of my Boxyluxe. This is for the month of December, and I'm kind of late at unboxing this. It took forever for some reason to get in the mail to me. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in here and just my overall thoughts on the box and Boxycharm subscriptions, then keep on watching. Okay, so let me see what's in here. If you guys don't know about Boxycharm, they are a monthly beauty subscription, but the one that I'm unboxing is their quarterly subscription, which is tied to their base box. You have to have the base box in order to get Boxyluxe, because every quarter you'll get like a bigger box. That's just how it works. This is $49.99 a month plus taxes, and the base box I think is $25 a month plus taxes. So yeah, that's basically it. They have a bunch of other perks. You get to customize items. They have Boxy pop-up where they have a big like mega sale. They have add-ons that you can do, just a bunch of different things. But I will link Boxycharm's subscription info where you can go and get more information if you do sign up through that link. It is a like referral code, so I think I get some kind of perk out of it. Just letting you know, you don't have to use that. You can just go to boxycharm.com, but that will be in the description for you if you want to use it. Anyways, before we get into this box, if you're new here and you like fashion, makeup, beauty, and all that fun stuff, then hit that subscribe button and join this little family we got going on. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you are notified every time I post a video. So let's get in this. I'm so excited. So they always have a card. So it looks like the theme was bubbles and glitz. Okay, I guess because no one's going out for New Year's and we're gonna just be having a bubble bath with our champagne. Maybe that's it. But anyways, usually they have everything on here like that's in the box, the prices and descriptions about all the products. So we will just dive on in. Alright, so the first product I have here is, it looks like a brush set. Let me see where it is. This is from Luxie. This is a glitter and gold brush set. This retails for $85. Dang, that's pricey. We'll see what's in here. It has a nice little bag that it comes with. This is cute. And then let's see how it, oh, and it opens up like this. So these are all the brushes. Ooh, it has a very strong like chemical smell. Wow, that's strong. But it looks like it has some eye brushes and then some face brushes. Maybe this is to contour. Looks like maybe this is for powder. I'm assuming that's one of those flat like foundation brushes, yeah. And that's pretty much it. This is actually really cute. Now I don't know if I'd pay $85 for this, but it's like these nice little gold handles. I do like that it comes in like a little pouch like this, so it makes it easier for like when we travel one day. But this is very cute. Going on to the next item. So this is one of the items I customized in my box, and for Boxyluxe you get to customize 2 items. So right here is the, let me find it on here. Where is it? What is this called? Okay, it's the Beauty Co. The Original Glam Smile Kit. This retails for $89. Ooh, okay. Your Beauty OG Smile Kit whitens and brightens your smile in 15 minutes. From binge watching Netflix to jet setting around the globe, Beauty's mission is to accompany you in the clouds, elevating your self-care routine with maintaining angel status. It's a really weird description, but it's one of those just whitening kits, and I think this has like that light UV light or whatever you put on your teeth to help whiten it, and then there's like a whitening gel, and then the little like tray that you put over your teeth. I wanted to give this a try, whiten my teeth a little bit. It seemed like an interesting thing, so that's why I picked this in my customization. Then the other thing that I picked in my customization was the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter. This is like in the darkest shade. And I have the other 2, but I didn't have this one, and that's why I added it onto my box, because I do like the formula of these. And this is what in the shade Soulmate. But I'll show you guys what this looks like. This one retails for $20 for this. And this is what the little container looks like. It matches what like their oil container looks like. And there is the shade. That's pretty. I like that. Let's see if it has any kind of color to it. Yeah, it has like a slight tint to it. I just love like a tinted lip balm. And it has like that kind of coconutty, buttery scent that some people don't like on their products, but I don't mind it. Alright, so the next thing is this palette right here. This is from Hip Dot. This is the C-Note Pressed Eyeshadow Palette. This retails for $30. It says, unleash your inner goddess through the alluring blue and gleaming golds of C-Note. And homage to sacred underground pools of Mexico. In their hyper pigmented palette, you'll find a mix of mattes and shimmers pulled directly from the magical deep. Alright, well, this is really pretty packaging, and I am a sucker for like blue and green shades from what I saw in the picture of this. And here we go. It has a big mirror. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, I like these kind of shades. These are my favorite kind of shades to wear on the lid. That is really pretty. They did have a Hip Dot palette in one of their other subscription boxes, which I also got, so I guess these will complement. Like, this is kind of like a purpley warm tone palette, and this is blues with some neutrals. I do like this shade right here. This is pretty. I'm gonna swatch it out. That's nice. It does look like it's on the subtle side, but these are really pretty. Let me swatch that, see how it looks. Okay, that's pretty. That green is definitely more like subtle, but the blue is really pretty. I will definitely have fun with that. That is the type of shades I like to wear on the lid, so I'll have to give that one a try. And then the next thing in here is, it looks like it's a face palette. This is from Iconic London. This is the Blaze Chaser face palette. This retails for $55. This is an ultra versatile face palette featuring 6 shades of butter smooth velvety powders that complement all skin tones. I highly doubt that, because face palettes usually don't accommodate every skin tone. And then if you do get a face palette that does, then that means there's a bunch of shades that you can't actually use because they're either too light or too deep. So yeah, I don't know how they're saying this could work for all skin tones, because it's definitely on the light side. It's the only thing I don't like about face palettes. Like, I hope that they have an option where there's deeper shades for like deeper skin tones, because this would never work on someone with a deeper skin tone. Like, this is pretty light. I mean, this barely makes it for me. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, it looks like it has maybe 3 highlighters. This one's like a little more of a bronzy highlighter shade to work on a deeper skin tone, and then it looks like maybe this is a matte blush, a shimmery blush. It looks cute. I definitely can use it. I mean, these are shades that would work fine on my skin tone, but that's just something to know. Like, how do they make sure they have products fitting people with deeper skin tones? Because I didn't see a deeper version of this palette when they're like featuring sneak peeks. So I don't know. I'm just saying. Alright, so the next product in here is from Avon. This is the Intense Redensifying Glycolic Acid Day Moisturizer. So I've had a product from Avon before. I don't think it was this moisturizer, but it was some kind of like sleep moisturizer. I think it was like something you use at night, like a sleeping mask. This is what it looks like. This is, from what I remember, a pricey brand. Yes, $123 for this little tube. That is crazy. So it says, the ideal remedy against time, this day moisturizer aims to offer a complete response to signs of skin slacking. A revolutionary formula with rich textures combine glycolic acid and mica, I think that's how you say it, to correct the effects of epidermal aging and improve skin density, luminosity, and volume. Very interesting. We'll have to see if it actually does all those things. It better do it for $123. Like I said in every video, they always put high-priced, like a random high-priced product that just shocks you when you see the price. So then it looks like there's 2 more products in here, and I'm not sure what this is. It says it's the Lifestyle Co. Temple Rub. 100% natural, and it's calming. Okay, so let's see what this says. This says It is $24, and this is what's more relaxing than lavender. This temple rub, of course. The super blend of oils can help assist in relieving headaches, stress, and anxiety. Oh, okay, that's cool. I do like lavender scented like stuff and oils. It has a minty scent to it too. It smells nice. It has kind of a oil, like an oily consistency. Wow, it just smells like, you know, like a incense or something like really herbally. There's lavender, but there's like a lot of mint to it too. I feel like this would help with nasal congestion. It almost smells like similar to like a Vicks product. Is that weird? Like a menthol product. It smells nice. I don't mind that. I probably would use something like that at night, like when I'm trying to sleep or when I have headaches. I do suffer from migraines every now and then, so we'll have to see if that actually works. And then the last product here is this right here. This is the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. This retails for $85. And I'm surprised it didn't come in like any kind of box or container. It was just sitting in here like this. Like, what if the thing was twisted and it just ended up getting everywhere? I just think that's random to just throw a bottle like this in the box with no like box or anything. But this says it's the multitasking targeted lactic acid treatment, rapidly exfoliates and boosts natural youthful radiance while visibly reducing the look of lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. It's a high potency formula, exfoliates dull, pore, clogged, dead skin cells to instantly clarify and reveal smoother, clearer skin. And it has skin brightening ingredients in here. That's cool. Let's see. So you're supposed to put it on. Apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean dry skin as a leave-in treatment. Okay, so this is something you don't wash off. You just have it absorb into the skin. That's cool. I'll have to see if this works. You know, you won't know with skincare until you use it after a while. But that was all the products I got in here, and everything seems to be very pricey. So the total value of this box is $511. What? And I only paid $49.99 a month. I mean, dang, that's crazy. I mean, $511. I wasn't expecting it to be that high. But did I get my personal value out of this box? And I think I did. I'm very excited about this Sunday Riley product. I love things that help with wrinkles and dark spots, and I do suffer with like, you know, acne scarring and all that. So I can't wait to give this a try. I'm very excited about that. I do like this palette a lot. I think it is super pretty. I love this color story. I love blues and greens, so I definitely feel like I'm gonna get use out of this palette. So that was exciting. Of course, I was happy with the lip balm. This is something I picked. I already knew I like this kind of product. And anything else? Oh, and the brushes. I thought this was a super nice brush set. I'm excited to try the teeth whitening kit. So pretty much I liked everything. The only thing I would have been like about was the temple rub. It's probably not something I would ever think to buy on my own, but who knows, I might fall in love with it. And then the other thing I was not excited about was the moisturizer, but I might find out that this is an amazing product. I don't know if it's $123 worth. But I'm like about that product. I have to use it to see. But everything else I pretty much loved. I even like the little iconic palette. I do feel like it's a little light and there's not that much variation in the shades in here, especially with the highlighters. But I'll definitely get use out of it. I do like Iconic London as a brand. Alright guys, that was everything in my box. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below. Did you like your Boxycharm? Are you wanting to try Boxycharm? Do you have any questions? Or just let me know how you're doing. I love hearing from all of y'all. And if you're new here and you enjoyed this video and you like fashion, makeup, beauty, then hit that subscribe button and join this little family we got going on. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. Also, don't forget to check out the description. I'll have information there if you want to check out the Boxycharm subscription. The referral link will be there. If not, you don't have to use it. You can just go to boxycharm.com and get more information. And my Instagram handle will be there as well if you want to join me on Instagram. I'm Breezy Lifestyle. I would love to have you guys over there as well. But I think that was everything, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video and hanging out with me for just a bit. Just hoping you are well wherever you are in the world, and just sending you love and light. But until next time, bye guys.